Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 leaks give us hint at its specifications, price. Here's everything we know so far. The South Korean tech giant will debut its foldable lineup later this year. The report states that the company could bring the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 with some unexpected changes. Published by Deepti Ratnam. Published January 29, 2025, 12:06 p.m. IST. Updated January 29, 2025, 12:08 p.m. IST. Share. The past few days have been a roller coaster ride as Samsung unveiled its much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series. Samsung launched the Galaxy S25 series last week with several features and AI enhancements. Now the tech giant has geared itself for Galaxy Z Flip 7. The South Korean tech giant will debut its foldable lineup later this year. The report states that the company could bring the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 with some of unexpected changes. The tech giant is reportedly working on the next-generation foldable phones, and it indicates that the smartphone could be equipped with the durability enhancements. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. As far as we know, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be powered by the new Exynos 2500 chipset. The next-generation clamshell foldable phone is likely to ditch Snapdragon chipsets and would feature the upcoming in-house Exynos 2500. If that happens, then this will be the first time when Exynos chipset would be donning the Galaxy foldable device. To recall, there were rumors of Galaxy S25 series to be powering by the Exynos 2500, but the company couldn't achieve its target and unveiled it with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Play on mute. Full screen. Exynos 2500 specifications for the Z Flip 7. 3.3 GHz ARM Cortex-X9 25 1-core. 2.75 GHz ARM Cortex-A7 25 2-core. 2.36 GHz ARM Cortex-A7 25 5-core. 1.8 GHz ARM Cortex-A5 22-core. L3 cache 16 MB. 9.6 gigabits per second 16-bit quad-channel LPDDR5X memory. UFS 4.x storage. 1.3 GHz Samsung Sclips 950 GPU AMD. Jukonlasriv at Jukonlasriv January 25, 2025. As per tipster Jukonlasriv, the company would be unveiling the Galaxy Z Flip 7 with Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset. Other reports also claim that the phone is expected to be priced the same as its predecessor. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 starts at $109,999 in India, which means the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be launched at the same price range. However, nothing has been confirmed from brand side.